Sensory bags. What you need. Anything you can get your hands on really. In this video we have used Christmas tinsel, round stones and pasta. The freezer bags are taped to the floor with masking tape. You could also use tape in different colours to make the bags even more interesting for your baby. Put your contents into the freezer bag and if possible place in a triangle so that your baby can sit or lay between them. This makes it easier to go between the different sensory bags. Encourage your baby to explore the different bags by placing their hand over the bag. This should waken their curiosity and then want to touch and squeeze the bags. Expect your baby to push, slap, play with the bag from anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes, which is great for attention span building, hand and eye coordination, visual scanning and exploration. We recommend that you do not leave your baby unattended whilst they are playing.